Hello guys, it's Lucky75 from Hardware Heaven channel. Today I want to show you unboxing on one very good and very smart scale P1. What is the special advantage of this scale? You can connect this scale to your smartphone via Bluetooth connection, and the special software can give you a good advices about your health. It's compatible with Apple Store and Google Play applications. So let's see what we have inside. That model is Anker one, which is very nice brand. I like Anker. Let's see what we have inside this box. Very nice box. Okay. Here is the scale inside. It looks fantastic. Yeah, heavy model. Nice. Very good. Here is a place that you can put your batteries, and here is the button for connection. What else we have inside this box? A lot of user manuals and documentation, which is very nice. And we have three small batteries that we can put inside this scale, and after that I will connect it to my Apple phone and check what is my health status. Yeah, if you like this video, press the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy holidays!